What's going on, guys? Welcome to my tutorial in Adobe After Effects CC. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to animate some 3D text. I'm going to go to File, Import, and I'm going to select the background image first. Then I'm going to go Composition, New Composition. This project is 1280 by 720, that's okay, select OK. So I'm going to apply the background image and lock that layer for now. Now if you don't have this option over here for a 3D layer, you might see or you might not. Over here we have toggle switches and modes. You can select that so you actually see this option. And next what we're going to do is select a text layer. So we're going to create some text over here. We're just going to space out this text a little bit more. So now that I have the text over here, I'm going to select this option right here, and this is a 3D layer. Next we're going to select Raytrace 3D, and then over here we're going to select Options. Right here I have a ray tracing quality of 1, and the reason why we have it like this is so it's a lot easier and faster to work in After Effects. The higher the quality, the more resources this software is going to use for this feature. So I'm just going to leave it at 1, select OK, and then select OK again. We're going to hit the drop down menu over here and we see Geometry. Once we see the geometry options, we're going to select Bevel. Now over here I'm going to select a bevel depth of 15. And I have the extrusion depth at 20. Now you can select different options whatever way you want to create your text. It's really up to you. So then what we're going to do is add some lights and camera. The first thing we're going to do is go Layer, New, and we're going to select Light. And let's add a spotlight. Tensity says 15 here, but let's add 50. Select OK. You can move the light around if you want to. Then we're going to go to Layer, New, and select Light again. This time we're going to select Point. Let's make this one 25. Then I'm going to go to Layer, New, and then select Light again. And this time we're going to select Ambient. And we can make this one 15. Now the lighting is just applied so you have different lights hitting the text because it's a 3D layer now. Next what we're going to do is apply a camera layer. So we're going to go Layer, New, and then select Camera. So you have options here to select different ones. I'm going to select the 15mm camera. Select OK. And now what we can do is select C and we can move around the text. And that's looking pretty good. That looks like a 3D layer. And if you hit C again, you can do different things like spin it around. I'm going to hit C again. You can move the text, hit C again, and you can zoom in. So that's a good shortcut if you're working with a camera angle. So next what we're going to do is make this background layer 3D. I'm going to unlock the layer, right click on it, and select Environment Layer. So now what we can do is select this camera layer, and then what happens is that when we press C and then spin this around, you can see all of the background. And it looks like, the text is spinning around and the background is 3D now, rather than just a flat image. And this is pretty cool stuff in After Effects. And then if we want to add some animation to this, it's pretty easy. Right here on the drop down layer of the camera, we can change the orientation. So I can select one keyframe over here, and then all I have to do is adjust this, and it's going to add another keyframe. And then when I scrub the timeline, it moves the camera. And then next, I'm also going to change the position. So I have one keyframe from there. And let's see what that looks like. So let's do this. Let's select Window, and then select Effects and Presets. Select Animation Presets, and then we're going to select Text. And we have a 3D text option even over here. A lot of different things that you can do. And let's remove the animation that we just did by manually doing it. Select Delete. And I'm going to select one over here called, let's see over here. This one says 3D Basic Rotate X Cascade. So I'm going to press Spacebar to see what this looks like. That's pretty cool though because it's a preset. Next what I'm going to do is remove that, Control Z, Control Z. Let's select Rain Down Words and Colors. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial in After Effects CC. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Cheers.